I hang my clothes to dry in the sun. I hang my clothes to dry in the sun.
I arrange the books on the shelf. I arrange the books on the shelf. I wipe the kitchen counter after cooking. I wipe the kitchen counter after cooking. I mop the floor when it gets dirty. I mop the floor when it gets dirty. I check the doors before going to bed. I check the doors before going to bed. I fold my clothes after washing. I fold my clothes after washing. I iron the clothes carefully. I iron the clothes carefully. I clean the bathroom on weekends. I clean the bathroom on weekends.
I help my mother in the kitchen. I help my mother in the kitchen.
I feed the pets every day. I feed the pets every day. I turn off the lights after use.
I turn off the lights after use.
I arrange the shoes near the door. I arrange the shoes near the door. I shake the rugs outside the house. I shake the rugs outside the house.
I organize the cupboard once a month. I organize the cupboard once a month.
I wipe the dining table after meals. I wipe the dining table after meals. I check the gas stove before sleeping. I check the gas stove before sleeping. I put dirty clothes in the laundry basket. I put dirty clothes in the laundry basket. I open the windows to let fresh air in. I open the windows to let fresh air in. I refill the water bottles every night. I refill the water bottles every night. I clean the fridge once a week. I clean the fridge once a week. I wash vegetables before cooking. I wash vegetables before cooking.
I dry the dishes with a towel. I dry the dishes with a towel. I polish the shoes before going out. I polish the shoes before going out. I change the bed sheets on weekends. I change the bed sheets on weekends.
I arrange cushions on the sofa. I arrange cushions on the sofa. I empty the dustbin in the morning. I empty the dustbin in the morning.
I separate clean and dirty clothes. I separate clean and dirty clothes.
I rinse the sink after use. I rinse the sink after use.
I lock the doors before sleeping. I lock the doors before sleeping.